Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to design in Figma using Claude AI. We'll cover everything from logging in to creating your first AI-powered design workflow. Open your browser and visit Claude AI. Sign in using your Google account or email address. If you're new, simply create a free account by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Claude chat interface where you can start giving prompts. In another browser tab, open Figma and sign in to your account. Create a new design file so you can build your interface while Claude helps generate ideas and content. This is where the magic happens. Instead of asking, design a website, be specific. For example, create a modern landing page for an AI video generator with a hero section, feature cards, pricing section, testimonials, and a clean blue and white color scheme. Suggest fonts, spacing, button styles, and layout hierarchy. Claude will generate a detailed design structure, color palette, typography suggestions, section order, UI copy, and even UX recommendations. Now, recreate Claude's suggestions inside Figma. Use auto layout to keep everything organized, apply the recommended colors and fonts, and create reusable components for buttons, cards, and navigation. This makes your design clean, responsive, and easier to edit later. If something doesn't look right, ask Claude for improvements. For example, how can I make this landing page more modern? Or suggest a better color palette for a SaaS website. Claude can recommend stronger visual hierarchy, better spacing, improved call to action buttons, accessibility tips, and more engaging UI copy. One important thing to remember, Claude doesn't replace Figma. Instead, it acts like your AI design assistant, helping you brainstorm layouts, write content, choose colors, and improve your overall design process much faster. The more detailed your prompts are, the better the results will be. Include your website type, target audience, preferred style, colors, and required sections to receive highly customized suggestions. And that's how you can design in Figma using Claude AI, even if you're a complete beginner. By combining Claude's intelligent design guidance with Figma's powerful editing tools, you can create professional-looking websites and app interfaces in much less time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.